Part 01 Artificial Intelligence Tutorial for Beginners in 2024. Table of Contents. What is artificial intelligence? History of artificial intelligence. Why is artificial intelligence, AI, being adopted by companies worldwide? Levels of artificial intelligence. Best applications of artificial intelligence in 2024. Goals of artificial intelligence. Jobs in artificial intelligence. Advantages of artificial intelligence, disadvantages of artificial intelligence, future of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field within computer science dedicated to developing systems that can carry out tasks typically associated with human intelligence. These tasks include learning, gaining knowledge and understanding how to apply it effectively, reasoning, applying rules to draw approximate or specific conclusions, problem solving, developing solutions to complex challenges, perception, analyzing sensory data to make sense of the environment. Language understanding, comprehending and responding to natural language. AI systems attain these abilities through various methods, such as machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. These technologies empower machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks in a manner similar to humans. History of artificial intelligence. The history of artificial intelligence, AI, stretches back to ancient myths and early automatons created by Greek, Chinese, and Egyptian cultures. Modern AI began taking shape in the 1940s and 50s with the concept of an artificial brain, leading to its establishment as an academic discipline at the 1956 Dartmouth Conference, where the term artificial intelligence was coined. Early beginnings, 1940s to 1950s, Alan Turing's Bomb machine cracked the Enigma code in 1942, and he proposed the Turing test in 1950 to assess machine intelligence. Industrial and chatbot developments. 1960s, General Motors used the first industrial robot, Unimate, in 1961, and Joseph Weizenbaum created the first chatbot, Eliza, in 1964. Advances and challenges. 1970s to 1980s, Japan developed the first anthropomorphic robot, and due to slow progress, the AI winter of the 1980s saw reduced funding and interest, resurgence and breakthroughs. 1990s to 2000s, IBM's Deep Blue defeated chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, and IBM Watson excelled in natural language processing in the 2000s. Recent developments. 2010's present. Amazon's Alexa revolutionized smart devices in 2014, the humanoid robot Sophia was granted citizenship in 2017, and GPT-3 advanced human-like text generation in 2020. These milestones highlight AI's evolution, marked by significant advancements in computing, machine learning, and robotics, shaping its integration into modern life.